Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Rather impromptu video that relates to cucumber plants. So if I turn the camera around, we can have a look together. In the greenhouse tonight, doing a little bit of tying up on the cucumbers, and I've noticed that plant there, which isn't looking good. And so what I've done is tried to have a little look to see what's going on, and scraped around the soil, and it looks as though something's gnawed around the main stem, which is obviously why it's not taking up any moisture to keep growing. Let's get this up. So given the fact that it's going to die anyway, excuse the finger, thought I might try a little propagation video. So I don't know whether it'll work as to how far it's gone, but let's make the cut just below a leaf joint like we'd do any other cutting. Try not to cut through my finger. And I thought all I would do is try leaf cutting in some water. So let me just fill that up. Right, glass of water to hand, and just going to tidy this up. So cut directly below the leaf joint and remove this bottom leaf, the fruit that is trying to grow, and the tendril. Now that's still quite a big ask to support all of that, so remove that tendril and this leaf and fruit that is forming. Whip out that fruit that's forming, and I think actually I'm going to take off that little tendril and that leaf as well, and actually that's going to be too long. Cut that even shorter. So that is my cutting, and I'm just going to stick it in the water and see what happens. And that variety is Telepathy. So yeah, the other ones obviously, as you can see, looking nice and strong, and be annoying if I can't get another one growing. So let's see what happens. So 16th of June, 11 days on from when I started the video, and I've only noticed this because I'm doing my monthly walk around video, and this is the crude cutting of cucumber Telepathy that took only the 11 days ago. You can see absolutely loads of root forming, also a bit of root at that internodal section there as well. So yeah, that's doing really well. I'm pleased with that. So that will be perfectly fine to pot up and give me a new plant to replace the one that died just there. So all I'm going to do, I'm just using some multi-purpose compost. Fill the pot just under halfway, and then that cutting can go in, roots to the base obviously, and then we'll get some fresh compost up, lightly firm, so we don't squash or crush, I should say crush, those roots that are forming. And because it's been grown in pure water, make sure that it has a really good soak. So I'll give that another drink, and that is a brand new, well, we say brand new, it's a saved piece of the cucumber plant that actually died, but brand new plant out of one of the existing ones. So yeah, nice simple video. Let me give that a drink, be right back. There we are, so that's had a good old drink. Just going to pop it onto the bench, not that it's heated, so you don't have to worry about it being in a heated environment. And that is the cutting done. So essentially cutting from a half dying cucumber plant, but you know, you could use one of the larger pieces, or indeed that top piece of the very monstrous cucumber that is behind me. Yeah, so really quick video, nice and simple on how to propagate cucumber plant. If you've got any questions, then obviously send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on future videos. And above all else, just have fun, enjoy yourself, and do the odd experiment. So till next time, bye for now.